Good afternoon. We cleaned this area last summer. It looks like this before, majority of the area, but now, look! But it's fun knowing that it's not really that bad, and we had the area cleaned again, the walking area, the feeder road. So we will do that. Look, this one died already. I have a surprise for you. I'm so happy. When I saw it, it survived. This one. Now I have tanglad. My planted tanglad after a year. It's only one like this. And now it grew. Pwede na kayong mag-adobo, lagyan nyo ng tanglad, chicken, tinola, anything. Ang sarap, ang saya. I'm gonna check the other one if it survived. Ang katapat nito is grass cutting using grass cutter. Okay, so it's a little bit bushy, but it looks like there's another one there. That's another tanglad. Well, it's not bad, but thank you Lord, meron na kaming beginning tanglad kung sakaling magluto dito. I plan to have a tent this evening. The moon is bright. The problem is I don't know if the car can get in. So, ang pwede namin gawin, we'll prepare our dinner, and then, dali namin ang tent para dito kami. Let's have what you call a grounding moment. And may tanim din kami na maraming citronella naman ito. Citronella din thrive well. This is the citronella. 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and then 1, 5. Actually, we planted plenty of banana here because of the, the mahogany. Nothing survived. It's okay. It's joyful to think that this place is truly going to be occupied. Ayan, nagawa sila ng maraming tabasan. It's not easy kasi malayo rin ito. I did not start from the very beginning. I started only from the property, from my area. But I'm gonna check how far did they go. Okay? So, kung meron na kaming tinabas, guys, na tinanggal ng mga malalaking kahoy, it's because it's going to be roadside. Not really malaki. It's like a good size. Okay. What will happen is, kung hindi ito laging madaanan, pwedeng magsarado ito ulit. But right now, eto na siya. Maganda. So hopefully this one stays long. Itong puno na to. And, ano ba ito? Mahogany rin? I think so. For the record, this is how it looks. Okay? So malayo ito, guys. To those who's going to be watching this video, if you are interested to buy a property, I think this side here is for sale. Let me know. Contact me. This property is not far from the college that is soon to open. Soon, like in the next few months. If ever, max will be in the next 8 months. And it's from the Nara area. It's only a shy of 30 minutes drive. You have your things that you want to buy, it's already here. You can have an access of water here, as well as electricity. But for me personally, I think I'll just have a water and maybe use solar panel instead. Because just the initial setup, I think it's around 30 to 40 already. So might as well use that for beginning, even just a little portion of solar panel, enough to run your electricity, electronic appliances, for internet, and then for your washing machine and light. The rest, it can wait, or you can alternate it. Simply by using, say, washing machine when it's not used by someone, the rice cooker and everything like that. Anyways, we used to sleep here, relaxing in this area. Okay, Doc. If you watch my previous video, you can see the difference of this place from the get-go. Sayang ito, oh. Wala eh. It's gonna be feed the road. I feel bad for this one. It has to be cut down. Wala talaga tayong option for that. But to have a better, bigger access of the road. Stunted talaga yung nag-iisang banana, oh. Ito na siya. Wala na. Hindi talaga siya nag-survive. Kasi maraming mga kahoy around it. That means to say the roots is having difficulty, you know, connecting to the ground. Oh my goodness. It's fresh air. Peaceful. So guys, like I said, those who are interested to buy a property, it's a good 1,000 square. So let me know. We can be neighbors. Oh, this is the type of tree na naputol kanina. So it's not really, but still, it's a good shade. Ayan. Eto na sis, yung property mo. Masukal talaga. Katabi ka sa akin. But, you know, it's possible. Just put some buffer. Huwag mo kaagad putulin yung kahoy na natitira around the highway para hindi pa tayo expose. Ganda na, maliwanag. I don't think the car is able to navigate on this one. Umulan kasi. Maglakad na lang kami para mag-set up. Thank you, Josh, for making this path here. Itong ginawa ng coconut para makalusot. Pero inulan tayo kaya medyo sasabit siguro ang pasok ng sasakyan. Another property being cleaned up. This is technically, for those who are listening, this is a property of siblings. So you know that their land will not be abused by just anyone. So far, what's for sale is 2 areas only, and that's about it. Another property ng siblings. This one from here down to the road, further down doon na sa kalsada, is a property of another sister. So yan, tahimik dito. Kaya hopefully mag-start ng magpatayo ng bahay ang magkakapatid. Have a peaceful mind. Etong mahirap, ito na yung malapit sa kalsada. Ito pa ang mahirap pasukan ng sasakyan. I don't know how we're gonna get in here. Ito ang maputik na part. Now we're here. The road, the noise, I can hear. Ito pa yung pangalawa. Ito na yung malapit lang sa kalsada. Pag nakalusot tayo dito, okay na doon sa looban.